Hello everyone. So let's continue what we were doing. So last video I fixed the library Kasadi, and I think now install is okay. Let's see. I mean compile is okay. Let's see. Okay, looks like everything is going very well. So it's working. Keep compiling. Okay. Okay. So now library Kasadi is now, I think, fixed well. So as you can see, so dependencies are compiled very well. So now it's time to move next step. So all the dependencies are compiled well. Now let's go to compile the main OpenSim software. So let's go. Let's go back to the OpenSim website and let's find the way to compile the main OpenSim software. Let me scroll down. So before we follow the website instruction, we need to launch the CMake GUI. So search for CMake GUI. So last time we installed CMake 3.8.0. So just go to the folder and double click CMake GUI. So this is the CMake GUI. So in source code window, so you just copy and paste the path of the OpenSim core dash source. Then in next window, you see the where to build the binaries, then you can just copy paste OpenSim core build. Then configuration and configure and generate. So make sure you enter correct path that the website is saying. So in CMake GUI's source window, you have to type in the path of this for the OpenSim core source. This is your source. Then in below the window, there is a window to type in the path of the where you build the binaries. You have to type in the path of this folder, OpenSim core build. Then make sure you selected all the options that the OpenSim website is suggesting. So just follow instruction of the website says, then you are good to go. Especially you can select several options, several sub options in CMake GUI. So for example, if you want to build API example, just check the API examples. And also you can, if you want to use Python, just check the Python. Python wrapping is kind of like building Python interface to control the OpenSim. So it's up to you. If you change any sub option, you have to configure and generate again. So, but now after I select the Python, now I see these errors because I didn't install the NumPy, which is one of the Python's library. So I will just uncheck the Python because I think it will take some time to install the NumPy. So I will just uncheck the Python interface and let me directly go to compile the OpenSim. After uncheck the Python interface, let's configure and generate again. And then let's go to the OpenSim core build. And this is the folder where you wanna open terminal and just type make comment to compile, and let's wait. So compile is in progress. Okay, it's going well. Let's wait until all the compilation is finished. So far good, and let's watch it. All of a sudden I see some error message. Let's read the error message. Sparsity pattern.cpp.o. This file not recognized. File truncated. So this is an error message. So let's fix this error message. Okay, let's go to the folder where the problem happened. Just click home button. Then click OpenSim core -build. Then go to vendors, this folder. Then go Tropter, this folder. Then go to Tropter again. And go to CMake files. There you go. There is a Tropter.dir. Just go to this folder. In the Tropter.dir, you have the problematic file, and just change the extension name from .o to .old. Then go to 2 level higher folder. So you will just here Tropter.dir, and you just modify one file inside this folder. Then just go to 2 level higher, this folder Tropter, and as you can see, you have the make file in this folder. So wherever the make file is located, actually you can compile from there. So you can just go to high level, the most high level, and go to this folder, OpenSim core build. Inside of this folder also there is make file. If you type make comment here, the compiler will try to compile everything. But instead of compiling here, if you go subfolder, for example Tropter, there is also make file. And if you compile something in here, for example if you type make in this folder, so for example open terminal here and type make in here, then compiler will compile only things inside of this folder. So you can choose the range of your compilation, but I suggest you to start from here, because this folder is the folder where the error happened. So you have fix here first, then you can compile in bigger level later. So let's compile here first. I'll just type the make in the Tropter folder, and let's see what's going on. Okay, so compile is going well. Oh, okay, 100%. So now the Tropter library is fixed. So I don't know why, the reason it was not clear, but during the compilation something goes wrong, and I just removed the old .o file, then compile again, then it works. Let's go to top folder and do compile again in bigger level, and let's see. I don't need to show everything, I will just show result. I don't see the errors in Tropter, so Tropter is fixed, but I have another error, but the error is very similar. So in OpenSim simulation.dir, ref folder, rep double cycling obst.cpp.o has same problem. file not recognized. So now you know how to fix this. So in the top folder, open Makefile and search for OSIM simulation, and the Makefile show where the OSIM simulation folder is located. So just then look for the folder where the OSIM simulation is located. So this is the folder where the error happened, and in the folder, the ref folder, okay, inside of ref folder, and there are some intermediate file ending with .o, and the cpp.o is kind of like an intermediate file, and it has some problem. So just change this extension from .o to .old, so I can remove the intermediate file. Then go to the folder where make is located and type make and compile again in for the simulation library. So just do repeat this methodology whenever you have some intermediate file problem. For example, cpp.o. .o is kind of intermediate file from the source code. So whenever you see this error, just remove the .o, the intermediate file, then compile again. I think this is some kind of bug. I don't know why this is happening, but now at least you know how to fix this error. And compile again. Keep doing this, then you can solve most of this similar problem. Now I see error in another file, repmax.cpp.o. You know how to fix this. So just remove .o file, change it to .old. So you just remove this. You can just delete, but I just wanna keep the old file, and keep doing this until you don't see this type of error anymore. So I think you can just change the old .o file in this folder to fix all these kind of problems. Okay, let's watch. So I guess the same problem is keep repeating. Now there's a problem in another file, same issue. So why don't you just select all .o file and change them to old file. Yeah, I think there's some kind of bug. Just change everything to .old, or you can delete. It's up to you, but I just like to keep old files. Okay, then do make again. Okay, now I don't see the same error, so the error we saw has been fixed, but probably there is another error. But let's keep fixing until we see the final good result. And I don't see any errors, and compilation is keep. Okay, let's see. Okay, so far so good. Okay, I don't want to see all the detail. I will just cut the video here, and I will show you the result. Okay, compile is done well. But this doesn't mean that I finished all the compilation for the OpenSim. I just finished the compilation of this only one library, simulation. The simulation library is one of the the library in OpenSim. So let's go to the upper folder, and as you can see there are many library, and I just finished one of them, which is the simulation. Okay, so now let's see. We need to check all the compilation result. So go to upper level. So this is a folder, the most top folder of the OpenSim core, and we have to compile from here. But I will do this later in next video. Thank you for watching.